Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the newest items on my right hand. It's one package for 4 likes for the convection ovens. So let me take the overall dimensions for the units first. For this like, entirely about like a 29.5 inches long. And the wide about like 4.5 inches. So we can see they coming with 4 wheels. For each wheels, they have a lockers on it. So let me give you the sizes for the wheels. These wheels, they are about like 4 inches diameters. And the small feet at the bottoms is about like 5 inches tall. And for the connection area, they have a triangle surface. It will be 5.5 inches long. Same on the other side. And the tall for these parts will be 5 inches. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.